Fractions is one of the most significant topics that students learn at class 4 level and at times at class 3 level also. It builds the base for the higher level concepts like percentages, ratio proportion and rational numbers. The data we have collected from different tests like ACID, Mindspark pretest and student interviews shows that there are learning gaps and misconceptions among students even in the basics of fractions. This question was asked to test whether the students understand that when the whole is divided into 3 parts, it is not necessary that each part be 1/3. However, to represent a part of the whole as 1/3, all the parts have to be equal.
Now I have a pizza. You like pizza? Yeah, I also like pizza. So I have a pizza divided like this. There are 3 slices in this pizza, right? 1, 2 and 3, right? Which one? You can have only one slice. Which slice would you take?
The small one.
Small one? Why?
Because I cannot eat
The large one.
Yes.
Okay, so you will take, but you think this is smaller than this?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay, so what fraction is this? Okay. So this is 1/3.
The pretest data of this question shows that almost 55% of the students have chosen option C as the correct answer. Mindspark plays a role here. It exposes the students to a variety of questions with different shapes. One such question is shown here. There are 2 slices of bread. Slice A is divided into 4 equal parts and slice B is divided into 4 parts which are not equal. The animation in the explanation helps to reinforce the importance of dividing the whole into equal parts. Once the child is able to grasp this concept, he is able to apply this in different shapes.
These all. So which is your answer? Only one? Yes, exactly. Why do you say that?
Ma'am, because there are 3 parts and one part of it is shaded. So from 3 parts, one part is shaded.
But we also there are 3 parts and one is shaded. So why not both Jenny and Hamid?
This is not an equal part. This 3 are equal, but these 3 are not equal.
After the pretest, a student had shared with us that to represent half as a fraction, the 2 parts of whole need to be equal. But for other fractions like 1/3 and 2/3, it is not necessary to have equal parts.
Why did you choose Jenny?
Because there are 3 equal parts and one is shaded. So she is right.
And how about Hamid?
There are not 3 equal parts. Because now I have learned fractions in Mindspark and in class both, so I'm quite sure.
Now you're quite sure. Okay.
When students are introduced to fractions, it is the first time they work with numbers which are not whole. In contrast to the years spent on whole numbers, they are expected to make sense of fractions and operate with them within a very short span. This less than adequate time spent on the topic might result in students getting only a superficial idea of certain basic concepts with many learning gaps. In Mindspark, our aim is to try and identify as many of these learning gaps as possible and provide the necessary scaffolding to students to close the gaps, which will enable them to be on the solid ground in their understanding of fractions and build on it when they go to related concepts at higher levels.